Howdy y'all, Lone Star Rider here. I'm here at Fiberine to get the window poppers or flares or whatever you call them here. So, can't video the process, but you'll get the after effects.
Lone Star Rider on his motorcycle, raising money, making friends, seeing the country into it. Lone Star Rider.
Well, it's starting to rain out here, so they brought it inside.
Hey, I heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the world.
Got about a 1/4 inch clearance right there. Absolutely perfect work.
There you go, won't you miss the ones you know? I'll be here, hanging on, waiting for your call.
These window pop outs here, this side comes out 4 inches and it replaces the whole window, and my bed will now be able to go like this after I put in the frame, which will be the next thing. And on this side, this comes out 3 inches, so the door will clear it, and that's an approximate 3 inches there. Right at this moment, it would look really good if it was black because it would match the windows, but the van's going to be wrapped, so I'm just going to leave it like it is for right now. Howdy, Lone Star Rider here. I'm here at Fiberine in, what's this?
Wilmington.
Wilmington, that's it.
California.
Wilmington, California. Yeah, I'm back out here again, and I'm with Gonzalo Rico Jr. Is
Yes.
that right? I got it right. Well, he just put in some window pop-outs on my van, and I'll show you. And these are available for sale now.
For
right?
sale starting today.
Start-
First set, fit perfect. So
Yeah, awesome job. All his information will be down below in the description. And you can get a hold of him, and he will sign you up for a time to come out and get them installed. And if you want to talk about price, talk to him on the phone.
all right, thank you so much. Hope
Yeah.
you enjoy these. And
Yeah, these are absolutely awesome. My bed will be able to go this way instead of that way now.
awesome.
Catch you on the road here at Fiberine in Wilmington, California. I'm still here at Fiberine, and if you think this is actually cinder block, it's not. It's fiberglass. And he has this all the way down.